it's me, Haley, and Avalon. Today, I'm going to be, this is really exciting, I'm going to be cutting open my two homemade, I haven't seen the slime in so long. See, my homemade slimes. So this is a squishy, this is my squishiest one, it's white. And yeah, it has slime in it.
Squishy.
And then this is my pink one. Saw that squishy. So then, now we're just going to be taking the sock off. So I took the sock off. It is really lazy. And it looks very weird.
Oh, wow. Oh, it does not look squishy.
So yeah, so now I'm going to cut it open. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna like cut it all the way so you guys can see it.
Oh, wow.
Ew. So hard. Ew.
This is so
But sadly we
gross.
have to mix them together. But I'm not. I'm joking, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, I'll do it for each.
It's so hard.
Okay,
Look at it. Look, it just. Ew. Look, it just goes back.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get her another pack.
Look at this.
That's
Look at this.
gross. Does it smell good?
Yeah, no.
Oh, it doesn't.
If you guys could smell this right now, it
Okay.
smells disgusting. So now I'm just going to open the other one. The other one will be, I think, better. I think it's purple. I don't remember. Purple's bluish, probably. I don't want to cut this off because I have a matching sock with this. Oh, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm going to go rinse my hands. Okay, so I washed my hands. I am back. So now I'm going to just get the stuff out. Okay, I'm trying to get it out. I'll be right back. I'm going to shut my door so there's no noise in the background. I mean loudness, yeah. Okay, so it's coming out. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Oh, it's purple. That is so pretty. Do you get two?
No.
For the other one? Because I'm going to cut it.
Oh.
Okay, so now I'm just going to cut straight into it.
Right back again. Oh, I just want to see how good that one is.
It's a
Oh, that
surprise.
looks so good.
Okay, so I think when Ariana was at our house and she had a sleepover, we made slime. We did. We did make slime from Staples. We got glue from Staples.
Oh, yeah.
Came here. Thanks. So, yeah. So now I'm just going to,
I'm going to go get the other bag.
yeah. And then I'm just going to take the slime out. Ooh, it looks like very good slime. It is purple. Ooh, look at that. So,
Guys, I am back.
yeah,
Got another bag.
it's a surprise that one. You can't feel it yet. So it is amazing.
Oh, wow.
Has
Can
a
I feel-
great texture.
Ooh.
It's so good. Do you hear that
Oh,
crunch?
it crunches good.
It has
Put it
rubber
in half.
bands. This is it. I'm surprised. I remember Zari made this with her purple glue that we got from Staples. Guys, if you go to Staples and you get glue, it makes the most amazingest slime.
Oh, wow, this is awesome. I was gone. I was at my grandma's house in Orlando.
Look at that. That is so pretty. It looks kind of dark, but it's actually not. It's actually...
Well, not in Orlando, in Citrus Springs. That's what
Anyways, so...
I think it's Orlando.
Yeah, it's in Orlando.
Yeah, it's in Orlando. Never mind. What am I saying?
I don't get over. Okay, this looks so cool. Okay, so... Anyways, let's just put this in a baggie. Okay, put it in. And this is another store-bought slime we got. It's called Rainbow Ooze.
Rainbow Ooze.
So look at that. It's so pretty because it's really stretchy.
I'll be right back, guys.
It's so stretchy. Oops, it actually just broke. So for you guys, it's like not very stretchy. So look at that. Look at that. That is so cool.
Did you end the video?
No.
Oh. Please don't end the video.
Okay. So guys, that is the purple ooze. So I'm going to put out all. Ooh, I made a fart noise. So I'm just gonna go throw this garbage away in the garbage. Avalon, where's the new baggie I just had?
What?
Oh, what? So this is this horrible slime, guys. I'm gonna throw this away. So yeah. So I just threw away the purple slime I just had because it was good.
Yep.
So yeah, so these are the two slimes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below if you like this video. And give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!